Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If sore muscles after workouts leave you limping, neck and shoulder tension makes you dread sitting at your desk, or you just want quick, targeted relief without scheduling another expensive massage, then today is your lucky day. We're reviewing the RENPHO Active Mini Thermacool Massage Gun with Heat and Cold. This compact powerhouse packs real hot and cold therapy, deep percussion, and serious portability into a mini size that fits in your gym bag or desk drawer. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. This little gun delivers big relief fast. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the RENPHO Active Mini Thermacool Massage Gun. First, it's super lightweight and ergonomic. Easy to hold with one hand for long sessions without your arm getting tired. The standout is the Thermacool head. It switches between heat up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1 minute to loosen tight muscles and boost blood flow, or cold down to around 47 degrees to reduce inflammation and swelling. You get 5 speed levels from gentle to powerful deep percussion with 8mm amplitude that really reaches into sore spots. It comes with 4 or 5 specialized silicone attachments for different areas like large muscles, trigger points, joints, and smaller spots. Battery life is impressive for a minigun, giving you multiple full sessions before needing a quick USB-C charge. It's surprisingly quiet, so you can use it while watching TV or relaxing. Has simple one-button controls with a clear indicator light for heat or cold mode, and everything packs neatly into a travel case with a charging cable. Setup is instant. Charge it, pick your head and temperature, choose your speed, and press it against the sore spot. It's also FSA and HSA eligible, so it can be a smart health investment. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are impressive. The dual heat and cold therapy in one small head is a game changer for quick relief. Powerful percussion for its size that really works on deep knots. Ultra portable mini design perfect for travel, gym, office, or home. Multiple attachments for full body use. Quiet operation, long battery life, easy controls, and excellent value with premium features in a compact package. Users love how fast it eases post-workout soreness, reduces neck tension from desk work, and the hot-cold switch feels like having a pro therapist in your hand. On the cons side, the heat gets nicely warm but not as hot as a full heating pad. The cold is refreshing and effective but not freezing cold. Battery lasts well for a mini, but heavy daily use means more frequent charging. And the mini size means shorter sessions compared to full-size guns. The attachments are great, but silicone can collect lint over time. Still, these are small trade-offs and the pros win big for on-the-go and everyday use. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely grab the RENPHO Active Mini Thermacool Massage Gun with heat and cold if you want powerful relief, real temperature therapy, and true portability in a compact tool that fits your active or busy lifestyle. It's perfect for athletes, office workers, travelers, parents, or anyone dealing with muscle aches and wanting fast recovery without bulk. If these honest gear reviews are helping you recover smarter and feel better, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs quick relief, or subscribe for more. See you next time.